Welcome back, Daydreamer. Today, we're going to build Super Saiyan Gotenks.
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com.
Okay, so if you watched my previous episode, you will know that I'm going to build this kit purely to, relive childhood memories, but also so that I can learn a new skill. I'll be using a wet palette in the next episode, but today, I'm just going to take it light a little bit. I just got off a really big competition with the Not So Average Builder. If you haven't checked out that series, I will feature it at the end of the episode, so wait to the end, and you will have a direct route to that. But today's going to be light, and I'm just going to try to build this kit. Take it kind of easy, have a nice, easy kit to build, and then we will move forward next week with starting the paint. So let's get into it. Okay. We're cleaned up, we're back. Let's get started. Alright, we've got our ghost guys, hair. Looks like possibly some eyeballs and a stand. Got some trim pieces, shoulder arms, sash, more stand parts, more hair and whatnot for the ghosts, and the rest of the body, feet, and clothes, and our full color book here. This is great. This is really good. It gives me some more information, some more things to go off of whenever I'm doing the painting. All right. Wow, this is a little simplified compared to a normal Gundam instruction book. Yeah, very simplified, I dare say. Alright, well, let's get this stuff cleared away and get into it.
guys look great. The bends in the knees here and all of this separation, when it's not all together, it draws the eye. It's not awesome into position. I can deal with a little bit of gap at the joints and things like that. I can deal with that. A little bit of gap there at the chest and the abs. I can deal with that, but man, those bent legs just look like doo-doo. Straight up ass. So yeah, we're gonna probably keep them standing up like that because the pants just look way better that way. Yeah, I think that looks way better than having the knee bent and the pants all torn apart. Yeah, they're little Gotenks. Pretty cool if you ask me. That's solid. That's a solid build.
All right, so this is our finished product, little Super Saiyan Gotenks figure. He looks really cool, actually, like a lot better than I expected. There is some seam lines and things that I'm gonna need to go ahead and clean up and get to as I'm looking at it now. But overall, really cool little figure. The rest of the kit that came with the blue ghosts and the disc attack, and I can't remember the name of that attack to save my life right now, but those effect parts, because the ghosts are basically effect parts, I did not build yet, mainly because I want to make sure that I cell shade and paint the Gotenks figure itself and get it looking good. Then I'll maybe do some more work with that and build the extra effect parts and those kind of things, and just get all of that together so I'll have the whole kit able to be displayed. But that's not really what I am doing this kit for this video, so I just built the figure. Now, this will be my first soiree into the cell shading, anime style kind of paint job, and I'm hoping that it translates well onto future Gundam builds that I do. That being said, since it is my first time doing this style of art, and it'll be my first time using a wet palette, if you guys know any sweet tips or tricks that I need to be aware of, leave them in the comments below. And while you're there, if you like this video and you like more of a kind of an ASMR kind of thing with all the snapping and the clicking and the cutting, then please give me a like. If you think somebody else might enjoy this video, please share it with them. If you're not subscribed, as always, please consider subscribing because it helps me out a lot to have more subscribers, and if you hit that bell notification, then you'll maybe watch other episodes whenever you get notified, and that helps more. As always, check out these videos here, and remember, this one up here is going to be my last series with the challenge build-off, so if you didn't catch that, please give it a look, and hopefully you know how much work I've been at, so that's why I went with the easy build today. But until next time, I'm Justin, your ragtag daydreamer, and I'll see you soon.